Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am gonna talk about one of the important concepts, that is Java. So we are going to learn Java programming. We are starting a series on Java. We'll talk about everything, classes and objects, uh, basic concepts in Java we'll learn from scratch. Okay. So Java is one of the most important programming languages that is used in lot of companies, startups, MNCs. So we need to learn Java for the surviving in the industry. Okay, so Java is like, first of all, let's talk about Java architecture. Okay, Java architecture. So in order to learn Java, you need to first know the Java architecture. What is the Java architecture and all you have to know. So Java basically starts with, Java has JVM. Okay, so before understanding JVM, first of all, let's understand how the code works. Okay, so suppose you write one code such as class code. Okay, so this is the piece of code. Here you write system.out.println. Println, and here you write hello world. Okay, so how this code actually works when you execute this code. Okay, so first of all, you have to compile this code. Okay, so for compiling this code, first of all, you have to compile. First of all, you have to compile the code. For compiling the code, you have to write. So this you have to write in the terminal. Okay, Java C and the program name. Suppose my program name is program dot Java. Okay, this command you have to write. Then if you press enter, then the program will get compiled. So what will happen if the program get compiled? So bytecode will be generated. Okay, bytecode, that is dot class file will be generated. This bytecode is so much. This bytecode runs in any kind of environment. May it be Windows, may it be Mac, may it be Linux, any kind of environment. This bytecode runs easily. Okay, this is the specialty of Java. Java is platform independent. The bytecode that you generated can run on any kind of system. Okay. So again, like, if you're watching my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Lot of people don't subscribe my YouTube channel. They just see a little bit of thing and they just go away. If you're watching this video, subscribe and share this video, because that motivates me to create more content. And also watch the video till the end. This will be a short video. I won't keep it very much long like a lecture. This will be a like short video, but please watch the video till the end to understand every concept in a better way. Okay, and also I would like to say that install Java. You will get a lot of resources in the internet where you can learn about how to install JDK in your local system and start working with Java. So we have talked about Java bytecode, right? So we have executed the program. Bytecode is generated. Now we have to compile our code and run the code, execute. Okay, execute of the code. So for executing the code, what we have to do? So for executing the code, we have to use this command, Java and the class name. This also you have to use in the terminal. Okay. So once you hit this command, your program will run and the output will be shown. Okay. So what we have learned till now? We have learned till now that Java is platform independent. Java is not platform independent. The bytecode is platform independent. Okay. How you can run Java code? You have to write Java C class name dot Java. So this command will basically compile the program. And the next step is Java and class name. These two commands you have to keep in mind. You have to compile and execute the code. Okay. But nowadays there is different tools available such as VS Code. I personally like the VS Code most of all. This provides inbuilt mechanisms to run the code. You don't have to use these commands. You just have to uh, hit the run button and it will run. Also there is Eclipse. These are all IDE. Okay. And there is IntelliJ. So you can refer internet and install all of this IDE because this is important. Okay. These are all IDE. These are important. Okay. So this is all about the Java introduction. So what is left is memory. Okay. Okay. Now let's discuss JVM. Okay. What is JVM? Okay. So JVM full form is Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. Okay. Let's discuss this. Okay. So you might be very much scared to hear this name, but actually it is very easy. Okay. Let's discuss. Suppose there is your home. Okay. So in your home there is lot of stuffs such as uh, blackboard, computer, your wardrobe, lot of things are there. Similarly, in Java or computer, in your computer also there is one. Suppose this is your computer. Okay. So there are a lot of resources such as CPU, RAM, hard disk, SSD, any kind of things. Lot of things are there in the computer, right? This is the home. So JVM is what? It is a virtual machine. So JVM tells that give me some space in your home. मुझे अपने घर में कुछ जगह दे दो. ठीक है? So suppose this is the room. Okay. So JVM will take this place. Okay, JVM will take some space over here, and here is your RAM. Okay, so JVM is isolated. Okay, so this is JVM. So there is a concept of thread. Okay, so let's talk about it. So suppose there is a T1 thread. Okay, so what is thread, you will ask me. So I'll explain you with some example. So suppose there is some operation going on your laptop. You are playing a game. You are seeing a video. You are uh, like watching this video right now, right? So this is a thread running. Suppose there is a guy who is running. There is a guy who is running this thread. Okay. So this is the thread running in its system. Okay, and there is the Java code. Okay, so this is the Java code also, it is running. Okay, so can we say that this is T2, this is T2, thread 2, this is thread 1 and this is thread 2. So now what will happen is uh, the T2 will run separate. Okay, T1 will run separate, T2 will run separate. This is thread safety. Okay, this is thread safety in Java. Okay, I hope you understand. So that is why Java is like uh, platform independent and thread safety. Okay, so I hope that the JVM will be cleared. So JVM is like isolated environment and it is thread safe. Like it doesn't run with the other operations. It's a separate entity. Okay, this is the JVM. I hope this will make your concept clear, and we'll talk about the internal working of the JVM now. So let's. So so in JVM there is class loader. Okay. So what happens? Well, what is class? First of all, you need to understand the class. So in Java, na, everything is class. So this is a class. So I am a human. You are a human. You belong to human class. So there is car such as Hyundai car, BMW. This belong to car class. All those things are like classes in Java. Okay. So when you define some class, it goes into class loader. Okay. Next is bytecode verifier. What is bytecode verifier? So once the bytecode is generated, right, the bytecode verifier verifies that the bytecode is fine or not. It's like a program. Bytecode verifier is a program which verifies that bytecode is good or not. So it is not important. You don't have to understand that much. So this is bytecode verifier. And the next one is uh, JVM stack. This is important. Okay, JVM stack. So what is JVM stack? So JVM stack is like this. So once you run a thread, this is T1. This is a thread. There is another thread, that is T2. This one will look like this. This is T2 thread. Okay. And there is another thread, T3. This is T3 thread. Okay. So look like this. So what happens when we run the threads? Okay. This will go in JVM stack. Okay, so there will be variables, strings, data, everything will be there in the threads, right? It will be inside JVM stack. Okay, this is JVM stack. And next is what? Next is registers. So what is registers? Registers work like a it runs fast and registers everything. You can think like this. And at the last there is uh, just in time compiler. Okay, this is JIT compiler. JIT compiler. So what is that? JIT compiler actually checks your script. So suppose this is the script you have written. So it will check line by line. So you can say that why it is checking. So it became interpreted language, right? But Java is both compile time and interpreter type language. So just in time compiler assumes that your code is correct because compiler has given it a good to go. Then only it came to JVM. So this is the JVM structure, guys. You have to remember this. So I hope that this video will help you to understand the Java architecture. If you have liked this video, subscribe, share, and more interesting content is coming. It will be fun. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.